Hey everyone, for today's LeetCode question is rank transform of an array. Given an array of integers array, replace each element with its rank. The rank represents how large the element is. The rank has the following rules. Rank is an integer starting from 1. The larger the element, the larger the rank. If two elements are equal, their rank must be the same. Rank should be as small as possible. In the first example, you can see 40 is the largest element in the array, so that'll have the largest rank, while 10 is the smallest element and will have the lowest rank of 1. And then the next good example to look at is 100, 100, 100. Since all the elements are the same, they will all have the same rank of 1. So when we think of our solution, we also need to handle the case of duplicate values, which should have the same rank. So the optimal solution to this is to first create a copy of the original array that we can sort. And the value of sorting the array is now we have all the numbers. Let's say, for example, 40, 10, 20, 30. The sorted array will be 10, 20, 30, 40. And now we know the elements from least to greatest, or rather the smallest rank to the highest rank. And we can put that into a hash map where the key of the hash map is the number in our sorted array, and the value will be the rank. And we can also check, if the number is already in, then don't put it into the map. So that way we can handle the duplicate scenario of 100, 100, 100. So let's see that in action. First, let's create a new array. And we'll give it the same length of the one in our parameter. And let's copy all the values over. So let's create some comments. Create copy array, which is O of n time and space. And we're going to next want to sort the array, particularly the copy array. So we can do arrays.sort. And sorting is a O of n log n time complexity. Now we want a hash map where the key is the number, value is the rank, so that will be two integers. And now let's loop through our copy array and we'll say, if our map does not already contain the key of this particular number, then we can put this into our map. And we're going to use map.size plus 1. So this is really important here because if you look at the example 100, 100, because 100 will have already been put in at least once, the second time we get to 100, this condition will not trigger. So map will always just have 100 with maps to the rank of 1. So next, now that we have our hash map fully constructed, we can now build out our final result array, and we can just reuse the original array. So let's loop over the array. And here we can say the value at this position is equal to map.get of whatever that value is, and that will correspond to the ranks. And so just to go clarify a little bit, when we use our map right here, this is O of n time to loop through, O of n space to store all the numbers, and that's in worst case complexity. And this is a O of n time to loop through the array. And just to give a little bit more of an example, so 10, 20, 30, 40. Let's first check actually if this works. Okay, it does. After we sort the array, we'll have this. And our original array will still be 40, 10, 20, 30. Now that we have this, we can create our map. Our map will look something like this. We're going to loop through the sorted array, and we're going to have the key of 10, and that will be corresponding to 1. Then we'll have the next map key, which will be 20. That'll be 2. And then we'll have 30, and 3, 40, 4. And when we loop through the original array, we'll get whatever current number we're at. So we'll say, the array at I0, which is 40, get whatever that is. And 40 will map to 4. And so the very first index of the output, it'll be 4. And that's how it works in this case. All right, awesome. I hope that everyone enjoyed that explanation. Thank you.